abruptly arrives to a halt. You are no longer in your comfort zone. You're in the skies and on Earth. The cold air freezes your lips, caresses your cheeks and moistens your eyes. Splashes of sound shower you. You close your eyes and you eventually freeze. The wind whirls into your mouth and gets to your mind. The word that is forgotten most of the times. Nature has no need for anything or anyone to intervene, for nothing is more dangerous than a world in balance. Suddenly my eyes burn with that feeling you have when you fall off a tree and all your senses seem to have vanished.
Let's not be